Hello everyone, this is Keith Jackson and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. In this video, we're going to learn how to simplify radical expressions, but we're going to take the introductory route because we're just going to take the square root of a number. But before we take the square root of 4, let's go back to the square of 2. So 2 squared is equal to 2 times 2. 2 times 2, as we know, is equal to 4. And guess what? When you take the square of a number, it actually does make a square because we know that a 2 by 2 square or 2 times 2 will give us 4 units right here. And so now we have 4 squared units here. And then we can take that back and we can square root this 4. And when we square root the 4 right here, the square root of 4 is actually equal to 2. Well, how do we know? Because that is the number on the side of this particular square. And that lets us know that the square root of 4 is actually equal to 2. Now let's move on to the second big example in which we had 3 squared, and we know that 3 squared is equal to 3 times 3, and 3 times 3 is equal to 9. And so let's take the square root of 9. We know that the square root of 9 is equal to 3 because on this square right here, as you see right here, a 3 by 3 square, we have 9 squared units. And so we know that the square root of 9 is the number that is on the side of that square. So the square root of 9 is 3. And let's move on. And we can carry the same logic and reasoning to our third big example in which we have 4 squared. And we know that 4 squared is equal to 4 times 4, which is equal to 16. And of course, a 4 by 4 square will give us this right here. It will give us 16 squared units. And we can take that 16 square units and we can square root that, right? And so the square root of 16 is equal to 4. Well, how do we know? Because 4 is the number that is on the side of this square that makes 16 units squared. All right, you have been given a lot of information. I wouldn't blame you if you need to pause the video to take a look at these 3 big examples or replay this video as many times you need to gain a deeper understanding of the concept of square roots and simplifying radical expressions. In the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.